Hi, I'm Todd Amazine. I've been an internet business consultant for 15 years. I'm going to show you how to create a new template in Outlook 2007.
Microsoft Outlook is a registered trademark of the Microsoft Corporation, a company with which I have no affiliation. With Outlook open, click on New in the upper left-hand corner to create a new email message. This is the email where we're going to enter any of the information we want to use as a template. I'm going to enter in a subject line. And now we click down into the body of the email and type in whatever information we choose. When you're done entering information into your template, click on the Office button in the upper left-hand corner of your email message. Scroll down to Save As, and then scroll over and click on Save As in the right-hand side. In the Save As Type box, click on the down arrow and select Outlook Template. Make sure to name the file name, something that you'll remember. In this case, I'm going to name mine testing.oft, and then click on Save. Now we can close this email simply by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner, and we'll say No when asked, do we want to save changes. Now to use the template we just created, go to Tools, scroll down to Forms, then scroll over and click on Choose Form. From the Look In drop-down menu, click on the down arrow, and scroll down and select User Templates in File System. I have two forms to choose from. I'll click on Testing to select the one we just created, and then I'll click Open. And you'll see that your template is opened and it's ready for you to send an email.
You've just learned how to create a template in Outlook 2007. I'm Todd Amazine.